So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished repairing a hose valve out here. This copper line was stubbed out. This is actually a 3/4 line going up to the water heater, so they got a T. And then it was stubbed out pretty far with a soldered on bib. Anyways, it got hit and then hit again, hit back and forth until finally the copper line creased and broke, and so it was spraying water out of here. And so what we did is we came out, we anticipated just having a 1/2 inch line, and we were going to put a drop ear 90 on there and a brass nipple. Unfortunately, it is the water heater. The 1/2 inch probably goes to, I don't know, something else. I don't know where it goes, but you can see 3/4 comes up, and then a 1/2 inch serves another fixture in the home. Maybe the laundry room is over this way. But anyways, that 3/4 goes up the wall to the water heater. So what we had to do is go ahead and we just took some Type L copper coupling, a short piece of pipe, and then a male adapter, and then we got you a female hose bib on here. These guys are 1/4 turn on, 1/4 turn off, so these are real nice. No working parts in there. It's stainless steel ball, just 1/4 turn on. You can see right here, on and off. And so like this. So lots of pressure, works real good. Get this buttoned up, and you know, you got still got some movement here, so just, you know, be careful with the garbage cans, try and keep them away from there. But we did use, you know, Type L cover, not Type M. Type M is very thin, and so anyways, this is your water heater cavity inside of the garage. So go ahead and get this covered up so you don't get any rodents in here. Outside of that, this installation is done.